Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and I hope you're all doing fine. This is my review of the RE100 Rebawoo. Okay, let's start off with the articulation. Actually, this kit doesn't have much of it because of the bulkiness. The head, we have just a little left, right, and left, a bit of a look down, but can't move up much because that head fin there. The arms can go up that much, and there's 360 on the upper arm. You can move down a bit like that. Also 360 twist, and pretty disappointing elbow bend. At the waist, it can move just a little bit left and right, much there. You can split the front skirt so they can move independently, and feet, the legs can go up like so and a bit back. As you can see, these things here are in the way, and can bend only as much like that. The foot can go side to side, only that much, and there can go a bit forward and a bit back. Some parts here on the legs, these things get in the way. These attachments, these armor parts, can move a bit out and forward and back. This one can move down to there. So this one is supposed to be up like in the image there, but you can put it down so it's out of the way. For the backpack, it can go up like so, but it drops down because of the weight. See thrusters there. The wings can move like so at the top. The bottom wing can go up. They can move independently from the main backpack. Also here, from this part of the thrusters, now let's get to the transformation. So this is what the top part looks like transformed. The attacker. You can see that's the long rifle below it, and the shield, which we will get to later. Not much for looks anyway. And the lower part, which transforms here into the nutter, which you have to add the missiles here on top. Again, not much to look at, especially from below. It's just the legs. As for the accessories, we have this long rifle, which I have pre-attached the holding hands. The shield, in which the beam axis can be attached for storage. This one clips to the arm. And some beam effect parts for the beam axis. As well as the beam sabers. Here he is again. I think most of the articulation has been, well, sacrificed for the transformation of this kit, and it's a bit back heavy at times. Let's attach the shield. To his arm. So, let's see, there, it's a bit heavy too. The beam sabers are kept under each of the forearms right here, which you can easily take off and put in the effect part, like so. And the hands have a notch which corresponds to the peg here. You can either just, actually I think you need to remove one part of the hand to put that into that peg right there. So basically that's it for the RE100 Rebawoo. It's a P Bandai kit, so I guess if you like the design, just take note that it's not that easy to find since it's a Bandai kit. The design is actually pretty cool. The backpack is pretty cool, but oh, it's a bit heavy and some of the joints, well, are weak. The design of the shield is quite nice though. Just remove the beam axis here. Put on some of those effects. And also has those notches right there to slot into the hands. You can also connect these two using this small connector here to turn it into kind of double edged pole X something. Okay, that's it I guess for the review. Thank you guys for watching. Keep safe and see you on the next one.